Hi, wanna know how to create new iCloud account on your iPhone? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone. As you can see, I have already did that. And now here, we would need to scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Apps. It's at the bottom. So we would need to click on it and here scroll down until you'll get to the letter C. Here is it. And now look for the application which is named Contacts. So we would need to click on it, then click on this button Contacts Accounts, and then click on this button Add Account. So here as a next step, we would need to choose iCloud. And then here click on the button Create a new Apple account. So here as a next step, we would need to enter some information about us, for example, like first name, last name, and the birthday. So let me do that. Now, as a next step, as you can see here, we are getting suggested to enter our email address. But now we are looking for the email iCloud. So we would need to click on this button, Don't have an email address. And here you can click on this button, Get an iCloud email address for free. So we would need to click on this button. And here you would need to choose the name for your iCloud Gmail. So for example, I'll use just LENRW like this, and here you can see this text that this will be your new Apple account. Here we would need to just enter that's all, just like this, and then click continue. Then as a next step here we would need to click on this button Create email address. And then as a next step, we would need to create our password for the Apple account. So I'll type it in and get right to you. After you have created your new password, we would need to click on this button Continue. And then as a next step, as you can see, we would need to enter our phone number to verify our identity. So here I'll just enter my phone number, and then from the code that I will get in the SMS, I would need to enter the code. So here I will do it like this and click continue. Now we need to wait until the verification code will get to us, and I have gotten it on my another device, so I'll just type it in. And then you don't need to even click anything, you'll be automatically redirected to the terms and conditions if the code has been correct. So I'll click agree. And this is it. As you can see, now we are signing in into our new account, and here we can see our iCloud email. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.